Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning Engineering Smartly. In this video lecture, I will be starting the complex numbers. I will introduce the complex number as all those numbers that contain the imaginary parts are known as complex numbers. Okay, complex number comprises of two segments. One segment is of real part and one is of imaginary part, or you can say complex part. As the name is enough for it that a complex part contains an imaginary number and real part does not contain an imaginary number. Here the imaginary number is termed as iota, and I believe that all of you are familiar with the term iota. The complex number is denoted by Z and is written as a plus iota b. The modulus of the complex number is written in terms of mods, and the formula is under root a square plus b, while the argument, that is theta, or you can say direction in terms of physics, is tan inverse b upon a. Now, talking about the principal arguments, what would be the principal argument for the each quadrant? For the first quadrant, the theta we found here in the argument would be same as theta. In the second quadrant, it would be pi minus theta. In the third quadrant, it would be theta minus pi, and in the fourth quadrant, minus theta. So the formula becomes modulus of the tan inverse b upon a. Let's have an example. Find modulus of z and principal argument of. Number one is minus under root 3 plus iota. First, we have to think that in which quadrant does our complex number lie. Here, a, that is the real part, is negative, and b, that is the imaginary part, is positive. You can see here a positive sign and a negative sign, and a negative and a positive lies in the second quadrant. What do you mean by the negative and positive? The negative x-axis and the positive x-axis lies in the second quadrant. Now, we have found the condition for the principal argument that our complex number lies in the second quadrant. Okay. Now first we find the modulus, that is z equals to under root a square plus b square, that is minus under root 3 whole square plus 1 square to total root, equals to under root 4 and equals to 2. Now for simple argument, theta equals to tan inverse b upon a whole mod, equals to tan inverse 1 upon under root minus under root 3. Here b is 1 and a is minus under root 3. In the radians, the answer would be pi by 6. Remember to keep the modulus here. You can use calculator for this. As the complex number is in second quadrant, we have resulted that here the complex number lies in the second quadrant. So the principal argument condition would be pi minus theta. Okay, and our theta is pi by 6. So pi minus theta is pi minus pi by 6, and our final answer is 5 pi by 6. Let's have some difficult condition. In this example, the complex number is same, but here we have the whole square here. Now first we solving the complex number. As we solve the complex number, we put the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now after solving this, we got 2 minus 2 root 3 iota. From here, we will judge that where our complex number lies. Student mistakenly judge from here. Remember, always judge from here that where our complex number lies. After complete solution, a is positive, that is the real part is positive and the imaginary part is negative, and the positive negative terms lies in a fourth quadrant. Modulus equals to under root a square plus b square, and solving it we get again 4 and theta. No, we don't get here 4. I have a simple mistake. Under root of a is 2 plus minus 2 root 3 square. Okay, we got here a square, but here we got 4 here common as 1 plus root 3, 1 plus root 3 square. Okay, square cancelled, and we got here 4 into 4, which is equals to 4. So modulus here is 4, and the theta is tan inverse b upon a equals to contains modulus also. Remember to keep modulus is pi by 3, and a principal argument as the condition for our fourth quadrant is that theta should be negative. So our theta was pi by 3 and the principal argument is minus pi by 3 due to it is in fourth quadrant. I hope you like the video. Please do like the video and comment if you do not understand something. Make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.